Apple's, I feel like a third time that bottom is not going to hold. Oh, shit.
Alright,
Yes.
I turned on stream, so you've been warned.
C's complete your statement. Yes.
They're nuking.
Nuking.
Fuck.
Yeah, I don't know if it's going to hold, what, a third or fourth time.
ES or Apple?
Both, kind of, in a sense. They're both about to make a triple bottom. Apple is such a huge part of ES and SPY.
Yeah, biggest stock on the stock market.
Yeah, when Apple shits the bed, everything shits the bed.
You know you're in a healthy market when ES goes up and Apple isn't going up as much because that means there's other companies in the market going up with it. But when it's just Apple going one direction and ES going with it, usually means that Apple's the one that's dragging it.
Dude, Facebook is brutal the past couple days.
I know. Real fucking bad,
Fucking
dude.
brutal. Down 10% in 4 days. Pretty much nothing on my watch list looks good. I'm hoping this is an inverse head and shoulders on AMD, but the markets keep falling like this, it's not going to be. That fucking bulldog literally called the top to the tick. Disgusting. That was a really good day trade. Hopefully some of you guys were able to follow us on that. Really clean. ES is not looking good. Those 4-hour dragonflies have not really done anything.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, you have like no value down here either. Not gonna be pretty if it loses this level. We have we have 3 naked POCs below us. 3291, 3229, and 3159. Does NQ look that bad? Probably does. Yeah, same thing. Support around 10,750, 10,000. If it's a really long pivot, Pluto, it just means that that trend has been really strong. So it hasn't made any new pivots of that color. So like if it's a really long blue pivot, it means that it's been uptrending so strongly that it hasn't put in a new blue pivot for a long time. So typically they're pretty strong when they're being tested. because the pivots will cut off when it makes a new pivot. You see what I'm saying? So if there's a bunch of short pivots, that just means that the market's kind of choppy. But if there's like a really long blue pivot and then it like puts in orange pivots, it's typically a strong uptrend. Right now, like NASDAQ and ES, they're putting in like that ladder setup. Put in a pivot, go lower, put in a pivot. NASDAQ hit that target that I talked about not yesterday, but the day before. ES has already obliterated all those targets. Finding a little bit of support.
Patience pays those who wait.
Yep. Hey, Digital, what's going on, man? I think it's been a while. I don't think you've been in the stream recently. Nice little 15-minute candle on ES so far. Not a bad bounce at all. Omar, I was just saying my fucking gallbladder's been hurting. You're the gastro doctor, aren't you? I'm doing good, Digital. It's been a rough month of trading. It's profit is not easy to come by like it was a few months ago, but we're still doing all right. Yeah, Omar, I'm probably gonna go see a doctor next week.
Yes, the nice 15-minute candle right here.
Yeah, really nice candle. Back above the POC for the day. Yeah, Omar, I'll hit you up, man. Yeah, basically what it is, Omar, is like right where your gallbladder is, it is fucking like pressing up against my rib, it feels like. And it just feels like it's inflamed. Like it has like an inflamed feeling to it. And it's always after I eat. So like this morning I was fine until I ate lunch. And then it started hurting again. And like yesterday after I eat dinner, it's basically every day I eat dinner for the past like week. I'll eat dinner and then it'll start hurting.
Facebook news. Good news, bad news. Guessing it's bad.
Yeah, Omar, it's probably the fucking food that we're eating nowadays, man. My mom said like literally the same exact age that I am right now was when she got hers removed.
Her gallbladder.
Yep. My mom has Crohn's disease though. So she has Crohn's disease, and she had her gallbladder removed around the same age.
Is it like a hereditary thing?
I don't know
It can be.
if gallbladders are. I think Crohn's disease is.
Yeah, I have Crohn's also.
I thought that was stomach.
Yeah, Crohn's is more of a stomach thing.
Yeah, it's your intestine.
I have IBS.
I got all kinds of shit. I think. Fucking.
Yeah, I got bad IBS.
Deja, look at what I posted. Is this good news?
Trump to announce about $13 billion in new farm aid at Wisconsin rally. Kudlow said President Trump stands firmly in favor of appointing Judy Shelton to the Federal Reserve's Board of Governors. No idea about that second one. First one, it won't really have a big impact on markets, I don't think, but it's good. Big thing to know about the Fed is JP his term's up. When basically the same time Trump's term's up, JP's term's up. He can rerun though. I think he can be the head again. Their terms are the same as a president, I believe. I think 4 years.
I know, right, Raj? It's like fucking. You can't even trade this right now. That's why I'm not doing shit.
Omar
Up,
said
down, up, down.
Omar says everyone has IBS, especially now. Yeah, I'm telling you, because the food's changed so much, dude. It's just dog shit food. Do not eat foods fried. That's what they were saying in Discord. That's like all I eat, dude. I eat fucking fried everything. Crohn's is 100% hereditary. That's not good.
So your mom has Crohn's, Deja?
Yeah, she has it. It's not like really, really bad, but it's like, I guess you'd say like medium, like it's not good.
Does she take Humira?
She takes a lot of shit. I'm not sure. But yeah, she takes a lot of medicine.
I'm supposed to take these Humira shots. I just don't take them. I hate them.
She doesn't do shots. I don't think about that. She does do a lot of pills, for her Crohn's.
Is it the same symptoms as IBS?
Pretty much, yeah. I think
Stomach aches, always having to shit.
yeah, it's like a lot of heartburn, stuff like that.
Dude, like, yeah, when I get fucking stomach cramps, man, I get them like bad, dude. Like, can't move bad.
Wayne said it was the introduction of all the veggie seed oils years and years ago that is wrecking everyone. Yeah, isn't like what's it, peanut oil or one of those ones that's like really fucking bad? Hey, Sneaky, what's going on, man?
Really even eat shit like that, man.
Yeah, I need to change my diet for sure. I think this is the wake up call, as my gallbladder feels like it's gonna fucking explode.
Like, I don't eat processed food, you know? Like, I mean, I do, but not often.
Yeah. Gotta go on the keto diet like JMA is.
Like steaks and pork belly and shit like that. That's not processed, right?
Shouldn't be, no. I need to cut out soda. And I need to stop eating so much fast food. Q's is pretty stable. They had a nice little bounce here on the 15. They're holding the support for dear life because if it loses this level, it's gonna fucking get obliterated. ES could easily drop 50 points if it loses this level. 50 points, maybe even 100. Shit. Nasdaq could easily drop 100 here, probably 300.
Johnny Jerusalem said yesterday he was a vegan.
I wouldn't go vegan. There's no way. I'd rather have my
Kiff, you're
gallbladder
vegan?
explode.
I'm with you on that. I wouldn't be. I know I wouldn't be able to do it.
No, my lifestyle would just be. I'd have to be a different person.
I'd be the most fucking miserable prick on this planet.
Yeah, I agree.
Yes, it's just hovering around that 50 moving average. The daily 50.
Evo, to be honest, man, holding puts overnight or even like over the weekend has not been working for me at all, or working for really anybody in this market. I think puts like for a day trade is not a bad idea, but like holding them overnight and holding them over the weekend in this style of a market, even though we're seeing these nasty pullbacks, the longer you hold puts, the more dangerous it is. You know what I mean? It could fucking reverse on you so quickly. And you've seen it, man. When it starts going up, it goes up. When it goes down, most of the time, like look at this run up. All the moves down were pretty much nothing until you get these nasty sell-offs. So unless you catch one of these nasty sell-offs, your odds of making money on an overnight put hold is not really a good idea. It's not a high probability, you know what I mean? You had two nasty sell-offs since the coronavirus bottom. Every other one of these sell-offs here, unless you fucking sold the top, you were not making money on puts. Because you gotta think about the time decay, right? So unless you got a really fucking good entry on puts, none of these little micro pullbacks you would have made money on. You would have literally only made money here in June, and then here the pullback that we're seeing right now. Where I wanted to take puts and hold them for a good amount of time is if this last little push that we just saw went up to like 3,500 or like 3,350 on SPY, then you could have taken puts. That would have been a really easy trade, though. A lot of people probably would have been doing that. Taking puts right here on this little bounce, that was pretty sketch. It did exactly what I said. If you guys listened to me last week or this week, what did I tell you guys? Literally on my summary of markets, I think I talked about it. If it was going to be a bull trap, it was going to fail Tuesday or Wednesday. And that's exactly what it did. So we could have taken puts yesterday, but it just didn't seem like it was the right thing to do, especially with the Fed meeting being bullish. But yeah, I think in hindsight, people are like, oh man, I could have taken puts. Zoom out. You literally would have only made money on puts like 2 times. Unless you had a fucking really good entry on all the other pullbacks. If you did them a day or two early on any of the other pullbacks, you would have lost money, or you probably would have like barely broke even. So even in this market, it doesn't seem like they're a great idea unless you're holding them for like a buy it, close, sell it open type thing. Like you're looking for a gap down, looking for an overnight sell off. That might be a decent strategy, but not worth my time, to be honest. If I was heavier if I was selling a shit ton of puts right here, I would do it to hedge. But I'm not selling a bunch of puts. I'm only in 1, 2, 3 trades right now. I'm in 3 trades right now, and they're expiring tomorrow. So, well, 2 of them are. So I don't need to hedge, really.
I bought puts when it was getting close to that anchored VWAP because
Yep.
it's been failing that.
Yep.
And we're getting close to the other side where it bounces from.
Yeah, we've been
Look,
talking about that anchored view app for a while. It's a really good level. That was a good short. Which other one are you talking about? Are you talking about the anchored view app from like the lows?
from late June or July.
Yeah, I've got a couple on
Is the
my chart. Let
bottom
me see. Is it on ES or SPY? I think I haven't got.
on
Yeah, I've got them on SPY.
June 28, June 29. The lows from that
Yep.
has been respected several times, and then now it's been bouncing off that.
Yeah, I've got a
So
couple of anchored
pretty
view
much,
apps here. I've got one in what is this one? July 14th. And then I've got one on mid-June that you're talking about. And then I've got one
yeah,
from mid-May and then the March low. We're actually breaking that one in July. The June one goes down to 325. I'm doing mine on SPY though. I think you might have yours on ES.
yeah, I do. I got mine on ES.
Yeah.
But it's been pretty much ranging between those two for the last week or so.
Yeah, if you take one from June 29th, we're testing it right now. If you take that
Yeah,
low on ES, I think that's the one you're talking about.
yeah,
Yeah.
yep.
Yeah, that's a good level. So if we bounce off this level here, it could be really strong. It's respected it all the way up. And then if we don't bounce, the next anchored view app I would look for is right on the pivot at 3,200. And then we have one all the way down at 3047, 3050, somewhere around there. Yeah, I heard trans fats are fucking horrible too.
They stopped putting that in food.
Did they? Good.
That is like one of the worst things you can put in your body.
But yeah, they're bad for you. I think that trans fat like literally just like sticks through your arteries.
That sounds pleasant. Oh god, ES is nuking.
Yep. Coming down hard, boys.
Man, AMD looks so good too. Inverse head and
Very
shoulders.
Uranus.
You guys on stream, I don't know if I went over this on stream. I talk about it in Discord a lot. But the Intel curse, man. Whenever Intel puts in a new high or starts looking really good, the markets fucking get obliterated. The last time I posted a chart in Discord like a couple days ago. The last like 4 or 5 major highs that Intel made fucking nuked the market. And it's irritating because we're in Intel too on the small account. This is not letting us make money on Intel. Intel looks really good, starts to pump, and then boom, market dies. It's like 5 for 5 on the last couple of highs Intel made.
It's inverse spy.
I was telling Discord for you guys on stream, I was telling them that Intel is better than VIX. Literally better at calling the dips on VIX, the dips on SPY than VIX is.
Everything just selling off before tomorrow, huh?
Yeah.
People witching.
Dude,
Show's back.
SQM is on fire, man. Castro, could you turn Among Us into a drinking game? Like, what if you did, like, every time you die, or every time you get shot out of the ship, or every time you lose the game?
You could do it so everyone that gets voted off, that's not a killer, has to take a shot, and then everyone that voted for the person that wasn't the killer could take a shot. It's like a penalty
Yeah.
for voting the person off.
And then you could do, like, every time you get killed, you have to take one.
Figure something out. It's gonna be fucking salty Monday.
You know what is green on my
Damn.
watch list? Ameren. Yeah.
Coming through.
It's up 2 pennies, man.
I'm not gonna take any trades right now, but what do you think of Nvidia? Like for some reason, like Nvidia never really loses its
Don't
like
trust
trend.
anything right now, man.
Yeah, I don't trust anything, especially over the weekend. I'd be really cautious.
So aside from my Apple puts, I've just been sticking to day trades.
If you want to trade Nvidia, I would sell puts. I would not buy naked. So if it chops out for the next fucking week, you'd still make money.
Yeah.
I think selling puts in this market is a much better play, and that's literally the only thing I've been making money on lately. Except for that day trade we took on SPY today. That was like one of my only naked trades where I made money.
I gotta figure out a way to do what I do with calls on puts because I figured it out on calls. I haven't done it on puts. The diagonals on puts confuses me for
I
some
posted
reason.
it in trading tips. You can just follow that 100%.
Okay.
I posted a screenshot. Here, I'll send it to you again.
Because I'm like, if I can do this on calls and it's been working great so far, like, there's got to be a way to do it with puts
That's how
too.
you do it on puts right there. If you're bearish, you sell the near expiration, buy the far, sell lower, buy higher.
Well, that makes sense. Well, okay.
So you still sell the near, buy the far, the same you do with the calls. Then you just flip the strike prices. You sell lower, buy higher. And if you want to do it, so
Yeah.
what's funny, Caesar, is most people actually don't do diagonals debit. They do diagonals credit. And I haven't done any diagonals credit. I haven't tried that out yet.
Well, it makes sense. Yeah, it's the same thing as
Sell
going
lower, buy
long.
higher. Wait, no, you buy
Yeah,
lower,
like
sell higher.
sell near I get and buy farther because the nearer one, if it goes through the nearer one, it has to go through the one you buy first, right? On calls. So on puts, I was just getting a little confused with that.
Yeah, CAPR digital. I saw this on my scanner this morning. Thing's flying.
Oh yeah, because if yeah, okay, I get it now. I just had never thought about it. I'm trying to picture it in my mind, but yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, because puts you want it to go down, so you want to have the one that's gonna get in the money before.
exactly.
So, yeah, so you buy a higher one farther out, sell a lower put because in order to get in trouble with the lower put, it's got to go through your higher one. Gotcha. Okay, I get it now.
Neo's really green, sneaky. My heat map is green across the board, almost 100% green, so that looks pretty good. The daily is looking really good. You're kind of extended, a little bit of a bear div maybe. Um, but if it pulled back and like held on to these highs, should be okay. Nice little short-term bull flag coming in.
Dude, look at these fucking candles on ES, man.
That's
It's like
dog
up,
shit,
down,
dude.
up, down, up, down.
Dog shit.
Making higher lows.
You think they're on the verge of announcing something regarding their vaccine? Oh, is that their vaccine company, CAPR? Yeah, they're flying, man. Oh yeah, the daily was really good. Nice little engulfing candle. Could go for a gap fill up to like $8. That S&P thing we were looking at this morning, it's down 11% now. The
Oh,
five,
the 50,
yeah,
the 50 day.
down about 12%.
Dude, fucking Weeble, man. I'm gonna delete this app. They pound me with fucking alerts, dude.
Yeah, they do give you a lot. The current volatility on SPY is about double average. Or
It's all
sorry,
puts.
or actually, hold on, sorry. I haven't used this indicator in a while. Let me put this on something else. What is okay, so the black line is current, blue line's average. Black line current, blue line average. But yeah, it's higher than normal. Yep.
Is there an indicator for that?
I made one. I haven't released it yet. But you can use a standard ATR, average true range. And
I
then
never used that indicator.
yeah, just throw on ATR, average true range, and then throw on a moving average to it to find the average. That's basically what I'm doing. I'm just doing it much fancier than that. Yeah, so I would do ATR. You could put this on short term. So hold on, let me see what my indicator's doing. I'm doing a 200 moving average ATR 4. So ATR 4. That is the current volatility. And then I'm throwing on a moving average. If you right click the ATR in your trading view, you can add indicator. Then you can add a moving average. Oh, fuck, I need to delete something.
Where's Johnny Puts been at today? I haven't heard from him today.
Johnny Dips ain't here
He
today.
hibernates on red days, man.
Let's see how fast this 15-minute candle on ES gets faded.
Yeah, right. Then you just throw a moving average on here, 200. And then boom, there you go. This average is a lot different than mine. I think I did a different calculation. Yeah, you can see for you guys on stream, if you guys are watching what I'm doing, what I just did on TradingView. Those are free indicators. You guys can do that. And you can see when the ATR is higher than the moving average, that means the volatility is higher than normal. You can see throughout the past like 2 days, the volatility has been very high.
Man, Kodak is up 16% today.
Simple little trick for you guys. And you can do whatever you want for the average. You can lower it down to like 50 if you want. It's funny how this actually respects the moving average. So like Walmart, we've been talking about how Walmart's not very volatile. It's well below its average. The average is 0.45. It's at 0.3. AMD could be a perfect inverse head and shoulders here.
Oh, what time frame?
15. If it breaks high a day, it's breaking into an inverse head and shoulders. No, I'm not taking any SPY trades. Yeah, I'm looking at the 1-minute charts on my other monitor. Holy fuck, it's nasty.
AMD weekly looks really nasty. And the monthly is engulfing the previous month.
You can even consider this an inverse head and shoulders on SPY 1 minute. Probably,
Yeah, look at the 15-minute candle on ES.
probably looks better on a 5. No, 5's just accumulation.
Like I said, let's see how fast it gets fucking sold into.
Yeah, you have resistance at 335.40. Value area high. Perfect bearish profile today. Buy looking good into the close, man. 20 minutes left.
It's the quadruple witching.
Man, I don't want to hear that shit. Fucking triple witching bullshit. Who brought that? Who brought that up? Who do I need to blame?
C's.
Was it C's that brought that up?
Y'all blaming me for that?
Who brought up the triple witching thing way back in the day? I don't think it was C's.
I know who it was, but I don't want to tell you
It was
because I ain't a
it was probably-
snitch.
It was probably me.
Bring it. Let it go. Let it go, Castro.
Send the DMs.
No, I ain't
Send the
I ain't
DMs.
a fucking snitch, dude.
Get you a nice H Mart gift card, buddy.
Wasn't it Julian? Was it Julian?
What the fuck,
Hold on, am I right? Was it Julian?
bro? I'm not. I ain't snitching, bro.
In
It's
my
either
memory,
Julian or Mike.
in my memory, I think it was Julian.
I haven't seen Julian in a while, man.
That's probably why he knows the quadruple witching's coming up. He knew he'd remember.
It was one of the Mexicans, and it ain't me.
Johnny Dips.
Johnny's Mexican.
He's is he Colombian? What did he say he was?
No, he's Dominican.
Dominican. There you go.
Dominican.
Who's Dominican?
Johnny.
Johnny Dips.
Johnny fucking Dips, dude.
What if this fucking last candle just fucking high a day right now on ES? Looks like it's going for it, man.
Hey, I think Facebook kind of bottomed at 250. I think it's still super sketch to take it, but
Looks pretty good. It's back above the POC today.
yeah, I kind of want to take this.
You have a single print gap at 256.60.
35 gap below is a fucking terrible.
Yeah, it's sketchy as fuck.
I wouldn't be surprised if it actually filled it. AMD's green?
Yes, sir.
Oh shit, yeah.
15-minute head and shoulders, dude. Inverse head and shoulders. A and B high a day, dude.
Go, boys.
Let's fucking go.
Zoom. What the fuck? Zoom fucking made a run, dude. The fuck I am. I'm looking at all the wrong things.
Highest call volume today. DraftKings and Penn are up there. Things were
Of
moving
course,
today.
look at them, dude.
DraftKings had news. That's why.
Yeah, they were moving, dude.
More news
Oh,
again
yeah.
today?
More news, yeah.
What the fuck was the news today? They got news like every day for the past week.
Yeah. I'm still kind of upset the guy gave me honey mustard instead of the hot sauce.
Oh, God forbid Johnny Dips hears that.
I
Gonna
know,
go
dude.
wild.
Where's Johnny?
Yeah, dude. I like this Facebook, man. That bounce was fucking clean.
Sell puts, man.
I'm gonna. I like
What if
to
it
look
put-
dangerously.
What if it puts a hammer in at the bottom?
You see that chart USLT posted?
Dude, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, they all look pretty good. Amazon looks good. Tesla looks good.
I can set a pretty
Neo's
tight
flying.
stop loss on this.
Neo's about to hit high a day.
Set a stop loss at 249.
I'm holding 3 things right now, and 2 of them are hitting high a day.
Neo's up.
Yeah.
I haven't looked at Neo. Oh yeah, Neo looks good. God damn, dude, it fucking dipped to 18 today. 18.10.
Yeah, it dipped pretty low.
Yeah, holy fuck.
It dipped. I sold my fucking sell side right at the bottom, which is good.
Oh, there's a bullet.
Beautiful. Sold the bottom on Neo today, and we sold the top on Spy. Or I technically bought the bottom on Neo, I guess. Bought the bottom on Neo.
When you sold the top of Spy and it didn't break through, that's when I sold my Tesla.
Nice.
Or like I took I sold the call right above.
Well, Tesla was literally right on that level we were talking about, that 435-ish.
It didn't break though.
No, it didn't. It failed it like to the tick.
Yeah. So I bailed on that trade. Down like $1,000, but it's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
But looking at it now, oh my god, I'd be down like 2,500.
Come on, AMG, move it.
Come on, ES, keep going.
Could be short covering.
Tease.
I don't care which way it goes. I'll try to make money both.
Steve, why are you the way that you are, man?
Tease.
Cause I'm fucked in the head. That's why.
That's not an excuse. We're all fucked in the head.
I think I'm doing all right.
I doubt it.
Y'all want to laugh at something?
I'm worried.
Is it stream
Yeah.
appropriate?
Yeah. Well, I think I may have told you guys. Because my PTSD gets really bad sometimes. I go a little nuts if somebody is driving by next to my car really slowly, or if somebody's got their car parked in a parking lot and I'm going by it. It fucks with me really bad.
So when
Like
they drive past you slowly,
yeah. Because in my mind, I'm
He's used to
thinking
them blowing them up or something. Right?
they're either gonna blow themselves up or they're gonna shoot at me.
Yeah.
Oh
I
shit.
I get a chill down my spine.
I thought this was gonna be funny, not sad.
Yeah, you said we're gonna laugh.
I'm kind of depressed now.
I'm not laughing. I wanna.
Castro, send some Pepes, dude.
I
no,
am.
don't.
No,
Already
you
on
wanna
it,
know
dude.
ES is on a nice run right now. Don't do it.
Oh,
See, look, you said the fucking word Pepe. Look what happens. Get that shit out of here.
Hey, Lynn, delete some shit.
He says the word Pepe, literally dropped a 0.25%.
No, you wanna know something really crazy? I woke up at like 1 in the morning one time and I was choking my wife and I didn't even know what the fuck I was doing.
Okay.
Whoa!
Alright, what?
Whoa, dude.
What?
Damn, that's fucked up.
I was having nightmares.
Dude. And she's still with you?
I would have liked the
Yeah.
wet dream story better.
No, like not shortly thereafter, I went and checked myself into the VA for treatment.
Holy shit, you have a very understanding wife. Castro, I'm gonna fucking block you right now.
Yeah,
Why,
get
man?
get these fucking Pepes out of here, man. Fucking up my mojo.
Jamie, did you get rid of the money tree?
No, it's still there. I haven't
It's
watered it
working,
in like
dude. It's
3
working.
weeks. Cocksucker's still sitting there, dude. I thought if you don't water plants, they fucking die. Not this thing. Take a fucking nuclear bomb to kill this fucking money tree.
All right. 12 minutes until close and COD. I'm gonna go take a shower real quick.
Alright. I won't send another one. Unless requested.
Send
Take
the one where he's in like a business suit, the one where he's like fucking
Oh, I hate that one the most, dude.
Oh, look, green candles.
it's working, dude.
Send it.
Okay, I like this one.
Send it.
What's the guy from Wall Street? The fucking fuck, what's the Yeah, that guy. What's his name?
Oh, that I thought you meant Rick Santelli, the
No,
guy on
Quintil, I know.
CNBC.
Nobody knows that guy's name? Fuck. What is his name? What's his name in the movie?
Gordon Gecko.
Gordon Gecko. Thank you. Shit. That's the Gordon Gecko Pepe.
Luca.
You need to make like a Pepe like holding Luca.
I'm gonna make it J
A
Main
Luca
Pepe.
Pepe.
Yeah, like a Luca Pepe, yeah.
Damn it, dude! I want to like get into things, but I know I shouldn't. But this fucking Facebook looks fucking juicy.
Dude, the only green shit on my watch list are the things that I'm holding. Let's fucking go.
Hey, what would you target on Facebook? I know USLT gave me a soft resistance at like 261.
258 and yeah, 261. And 266 if you want to go high.
Oh my goodness! Someone just made 9K on Kodak. What the fuck?
Dude, Neo's moving. AMD's moving. I'm happy. Just waiting.
Yeah, look at ES.
Just waiting on
Look at ES
Walmart,
right now.
man. Waiting on Walmart.
Dude, Deja, you and I both. When Walmart moves, it is gonna move.
Yeah, it's prepping, man. Prepping for launch. The Pepes,
Yeah,
man. Pepes are working.
Yeah, look, right? J Main, come on, bro.
If they're working,
Yeah.
I'm all for it. Keep
You guys
signing them.
gotta revise your anti-Pepe stance.
Oh
Keep signing
fuck!
them.
Intel's moving.
Oh, that's not good.
What's moving? Intel?
Yeah, that's not good. Intel's not moving. We're okay.
What the fuck is wrong with you, USLT?
USLT, you win anything right now? USLT probably has a ton of LG stock. He loves LG.
Life's good, man.
I don't know. I don't even know. Are they public? They're probably owned by some bigger company. He doesn't even have a watch list.
All right, Castro. So what the fuck happened yesterday with free money? What's going on?
Oh, so Uniswap, right?
Yeah.
If you ever staked on Uniswap,
Like anything?
yeah, like if you ever sent a transaction to Uniswap, basically.
They gave you fucking free coins?
Yup, they gave you 400 free Uni, and when I claimed Uni, it was $1, but the Ethereum, hold on, but the Ethereum fucking it's dog shit. It can't fucking do any transactions, so everything was backlogged. So like my claim, by the time I actually claimed it, it was worth $3, and I sold it at I think like 280. I don't know how much it's worth right now, but there's a lot of people that like my buddy. He sent I think 4 different. He made a lot of money. He made like $4,000 yesterday for free.
So what'd you make?
I got 3.1, I think, or 3.2.
For free, for nothing.
Yeah, for literally nothing. I have it in my MetaMask address right now. But I lost it playing Tesla today, basically. But yeah, it was free ether, just for staking,
So why are some people getting thousands?
because they have multiple addresses that they interacted with Uniswap on. Like if you did it from like MetaMask, you did it from your Ledger, you did it from your Trezor, then each of those addresses have the opportunity to claim 400 each. But if you've never sent a transaction to Uniswap, then you can't claim.
Yeah, I heard they like printed billions of dollars worth of shit out of thin air.
Dude,
What
I don't
happened to
know. It's
Wi-Fi?
free money, dude.
I'd be happy
Literally
with a
free
free
money.
$1,000.
Yeah,
What-
I couldn't believe it.
What did you ever do on Uniswap?
I traded some stuff before. I traded a lot of things on Uniswap.
Do you typically make money?
Oh yeah. Like I don't hold things for more than like a day, sometimes 4 hours.
Is it just random, or do you actually like follow TA?
There's no TA, dude.
There's no charts, I
There
don't
is
think.
no
There's no charts at all.
It's all
Oh, so it's
complete
just like
dog
completely
shit.
like
It's
hype random
completely
bullshit.
fucking bullshit. Yeah.
Yep. I follow Messiah. I don't know if you know who that is, but he's a pretty big crypto guy. And anything him and Gainsey touches, it fucking moons. So I
Is it
usually
because
trade in.
they have a big following, so they have other
100%.
people that buy it?
I mean partially, but the fundamentals of what they buy are interesting.
No.
Yeah, USLT,
100% it's a Ponzi. It's because they have a lot of followers. The liquidity is fucking dog shit. It's Uniswap. It has fucking ridiculously low liquidity. It's like the dog shit of dog shit. It's like where dog shit goes to die.
Uniswap though is unique because it's peer to peer. It just matches you. It's not really like an exchange. It's fascinating, dude. Uniswap is dope.
Yeah, gas fees are really high. Yeah, they ruin the Ethereum blockchain.
So like, what's like? I don't get what it is. It's an exchange just for shit coins.
So it's a person-to-person exchange. So there's no broker. It's like if I want to exchange my Ethereum for some fucking dog shit farm coin, I could go on Uniswap and swap it for farm coin.
Yeah. It'll match, it'll pair the two is ES ripping?
Yeah, it's trying to. But like people are fucking doing this and they're staking these coins and they go up like 1,000% a fucking day.
Yeah, dude. I literally made 300% in less than an hour.
Holy fuck! Seriously?
Yeah, I put 1 ETH in, dude. And when I came back,
And then what? You just sell the once you're happy with your profit, you just sell the coins you have to like the next asshole.
I just Uniswap it out.
You Uniswap it to the next
3.
idiot.
So that this coin that I'm talking about in particular, in the next day, it was worth 0.
The unicorn?
So someone bought your bags from you, and then they got stuck holding it.
Yeah.
Now, what are the odds of that coin going back up? That's the thing.
No,
it went back up actually, but I don't know. It depends on the fundamentals, quote unquote. And
didn't they say 70% or some ridiculously high number are getting rug pulled?
Are getting what? Rug pulled?
Like where the team or like some really big holder is just nuking it because they're selling on people. They said, I saw it on Twitter. They were saying some ridiculously high number, like 70 or 80% of the past like 100 things that have been added onto Uniswap have been rug pulled.
So who makes the coins? That's what I'm saying. Like, so me and you
some
can make a coin right now.
Neckbeard, yeah, some neckbeard.
We can make an ERC20 token, yeah.
So and like some of these coins actually have like fundamentals behind it.
They say
some of them do, yeah. Like Tendies was interesting.
Why don't we just make like dog shit coin?
You can.
We
You can
should
make a dog shit coin if you want.
Let's do it and fucking sell it to people.
What's the function of it?
No, just to have it. No,
just sell it to people. Yeah.
The more fucking dog shit coins you have, the better at Call of Duty you are. I don't know. Some random shit.
1 coin equals 1 headshot.
There you go.
1 coin equals 1 360 no scope.
Yeah. Like it doesn't actually have to have a fucking, story behind it.
Yeah, like you're talking about fundamentals. They're called fucking kimchi coin. There's yams. Yeah. There was fucking.
So what's kimchi coin? Like, what's the fundamentals behind that?
I think kimchi got rug pulled.
It was a scam. Coin? But here, look. Here's another Pepe meme. Let me tell you. You're yield farming. All right. You're staking, and you're getting money back for staking.
And they have like 400% APY, don't they?
Yeah, fucking redundant.
So like you stake $100 and you're making 400% annual interest, basically.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but what if that coin goes down while you're holding it?
You fucking lose. You lose money.
Well, you just don't be a Chad, and you sell it to someone else.
So imagine a long line, and every person in that line is a fucking idiot. You just don't want to be the last idiot in line, okay?
Gotcha.
It's hot potato, baby.
It's hot potato, exactly. It's hot
You
potato with a
don't-
bunch of idiots.
with the time bomb. You don't want to be holding it, but it feels good getting rid of it. Somebody else.
And then sometimes there's people that come along and they fucking cut the line in half with their rug pull.
Fuck, dude, I might have to get this ads trade, or not ads. What the fuck? Facebook.
So like if you had five, let's
There's
just
the
say,
bell, boys.
let's just say we put in,
No, it didn't film me, dude.
let's say if we put in $500, we put in $100 to 5 different fucking moron coins. What are the odds of us making money? Bad?
Depends. Like I don't know. That's a hard one. Like you'll definitely make some money. I don't know if you'll end up in profit.
It legit
but-
sounds like a complete gamble. Like, hey, this coin sounds cool. I'm gonna buy into
Oh,
this.
it's 100% it is. From what I've seen on Twitter, though, people that are like dog shit traders, no idea what they're doing, are making ridiculous amounts of money. It's like more than the ICO scam back in 2017.
Okay, to put it in perspective, there's people that have like lost their entire account playing Uniswap. And
Yeah, but they
there's,
buy
like,
at the fucking top. They buy
They're-
when it's up
they're-
like 100%.
There's a Telegram group that I used to be in where people just post losers.
And they pay you out in F.
You could choose your swap.
You could do like USDC and shit like
Yeah.
that.
You could do like Tether. Any ERC20 token that's supported, you can swap it. But the liquidity is mostly in Ethereum.
ES is pumping after hours.
Yeah.
That is.
God damn it. Dude.
Pumping.
This fucking Facebook didn't film me.
But yeah, so like, as long as you're not a fucking idiot and you don't buy when it's up 100%, you're not gonna have a very big chance of
Yeah,
losing.
but the thing
right?
is, there's so many of them. How do you know which to buy?
You just go on Twitter, dude, whatever the big name is.
Yep. Whatever's trending.
I'm about to put in $500 and we're gonna make it a thing.
Putting 500, dude, that'd be crazy if you.
I wouldn't put
like,
it in
just-
one shit coin. I'd put it in like 5 shit coins.
It'd be
You
funny
gotta
though if
make
you could just
that-
like put in $500 and be like, you know what? This one has a funny name. I'm gonna buy this.
Yeah.
It's like what was the kimchi coin, Castro? Like what was the fundamentals behind that?
I honestly have no idea what anything. I think it ended up being a huge scam.
Yeah, I got rug
anyways.
pulled. The big one that made people a lot of fucking money and lost people a lot of money was sushi.
Sushi.
Sushi fucking.
And what was the one behind that? What was the fundamentals on that?
I have no idea, but it's like the biggest name right now. The guy
Wasn't
exit
hot-
scammed for 14 million, and then
14 million?
and then he gave it back because he
Give it back to who?
the market because he felt bad.
And like what he did, is that illegal?
I don't think
No,
so.
right?
No,
Because
no,
no, because people fucking
Oh.
just give him his money, right?
it's not
Everybody-
illegal.
He wasn't selling a security or anything.
Yeah, no, it's highly fucking shady, but it's not illegal.
But he made out with 14 million.
Yeah, and that wasn't even at the high, dude. What was he up at the high, guys? Like fucking 20, 30, 40?
Nah, it was in the 30s. It was double.
At 30 fucking million, dude. And this guy felt bad when he sold for 14 million because it
He
lost
also
it lost people a lot of money.
he also got doxxed, so I think he was scared.
14 million, dude. I'll buy a mansion with a gate. Come at me.
Yeah, I'd hire fucking Thanos to sit outside.
Yeah.
I'd be on a boat with John McAfee.
Like seriously, how do you fucking? I don't know. It's crazy.
The thing is, we talked about this on stream already. The guy made so many people so much fucking money. You can't feel bad because you lost some people some money.
I say we make one of these dog shit coins.
He wasn't blatantly scamming people. He just fucking saw how much money he could have made and he sold all his shit.
It's a legit project. It got adopted by
Yeah.
But what was the fundamentals behind it?
Anybody in stream? Do you guys know?
legit.
I'll be honest with you. I traded sushi. I have no idea what it does.
Doesn't
Most people don't.
Don't you have to do like a ICO or something?
Nah. It's a staking.
No, it's literally you have an email address, dude. That's it.
Oh God.
Well, I'm gonna check what uni is going.
It was
for.
a Uniswap competition. What is that? Uniswap fork?
Oh man, holy shit! Uni at one point was worth over $4.
You got scammed.
430. Oh my god, yeah. Sold at 3.
Have you lost money on that shit, Castro?
Yeah, but like a small amount. Like, dude, I'm not putting a lot.
Like how
I'm only
much?
putting
How much are you putting in each coin?
like 1 or 2 Ethereum.
Ethereum's like $400 right now, isn't it?
Yeah.
And
I don't
what
know.
do you, like on average? What's your return? So you're putting in like what's Ethereum at $400?
Yeah.
So you're putting $1,200 in. What's your average return on that?
Like average, like throughout like my fucking 20 trades that I've probably done.
Yeah,
I've 4 times my money.
and that's out of
Even
all
with
your
my
trades.
losses. Even with my losses, yeah. I've times 4 what I put in to start.
And
Is there a website for this shit?
That's
Yeah.
literally no charts, just fucking trading some
there
neckbeard
is
Twitter shit.
there is a chart, but it's not on TradingView. It's like on a Uniswap charting thing. It's on CoinGecko. Here's the website, by the way. You need MetaMask.
Yeah, I have MetaMask on my Firefox.
I don't have that. I used to have it. I deleted it.
Yeah, I mean, you can use the Coinbase wallet.
When do
too,
these
if you
coins
want.
usually pop off? Is it like a weekend fucking thing?
Dude, it's crypto. You know crypto.
Yeah.
Bro. It's when you.
I don't want to
in the
get back into
bathroom.
this fucking world, but
It's when you're having a moment with your girl. It's when you're cooking dinner.
What?
a moment.
Who's cooking dinner?
It's just, I'm just saying, man. It happens at the most random.
All
time.
right, guys, we're gonna end it on that. Sorry for the fucking crypto bullshit at the end. But if you guys are watching the stream, you guys know what to do. If you like the video, like the fucking video. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern, same time. I'll actually try to post some analysis in Discord today. Sorry, guys, I wasn't home till late as fuck yesterday, so I missed it. But I'll post some analysis today. I won't miss it this time. You guys have a good one.